Marble cake. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna make a really pretty looking cake, a marble cake. And we're starting right off by whisking sugar and butter until combined. Add in 1 egg into the mix and whisk it all together until combined. And repeat 3 times. Egg mix until there are no eggs left. If it looks bad, don't worry, we're gonna fix that now. Sift in half of your flour and add in half of your milk and mix it all well together. Then sift in the rest of your flour and add in the rest of the milk and mix them all together until you get a smooth batter. Take out 1/3 part of your batter and put it into a different bowl. Add in your vanilla sugar into the bowl where you have the most batter and cocoa powder into the one with less. And mix each of them well together. Next up, you turn on your oven and bring it up to 175 degrees Celsius. Then put baking paper into your baking form and pour half of the vanilla butter into it. Then pour half of the chocolate batter on top of the vanilla, then the rest of the vanilla on top of the chocolate, and the rest of the chocolate on top of the vanilla. Smoothen it out and bake it for 40 minutes inside the oven. Check if it's ready with a wooden chopstick or toothpick. If it's ready, you can serve it right away. This cake is best warm, so cut it up into slices and serve this beautiful looking cake while it's still hot. So give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in another video tomorrow. Bye!